Okay. As per the talk about the surface method, where we have to create the surface and then make them other types of objects right there. Here we have to make as a sheet metal, okay, sheet type thing. And then after the sheet type, we for the using making the planes, meter planes, hands, job, many of the sections are there. Bend with the sheet metals, okay. Then how can we do that for this part? Just use it here. I just start my I just use a plane. Select the plane one and then I use here. Go to sketch first, make as a sketch first. This is my sketch. I just sketch one, the center one, and here I just may mark as a dimension is 180. 200, whatever you want to mark as a dimension, this is just your choice. And then here I mark as a 120, right?
Okay.
After this, I click on OK. Go to access your sketch, go to the sheet metal. Here we go to the sheet metal, and then once I do, this is my sketch, right?
Yes.
This is go to the base planes tab. If you click on the base planes tab, here you got the metal sheet of the metals right here. This is
Okay.
the raw metals you can use here. What's the raw
Okay.
metal sizes? You can increase the size by 2 mm, 3 mm, whatever it is you want to increase here. Right?
Okay.
But also you can apply here is the materials if you have the materials in your system. Okay, those sheet metal rods. Okay. To select by table, sample, aluminum, steel, English, and then you can use here. Okay, steel air band. If you want to browse it, then you can see here we have the tables or not. Okay, this is
Okay.
the ordering. Okay, how many courses are there? I just think. But how can we use this sheet metal first? Well, you can just see here. Okay, if you click on OK, this will be created right here. This is your
Yes.
sheet metal. Okay. And the
Okay.
sheet metal, I just create the sheet metal first. After that, I creating something else here to make as a better way. Okay, better things right here.
Okay.
After the you flames base, you can make here as form of the sheet metal by using the sheet metal. Then come to the add flames. Here we have the other option is called as flame. Okay, if you create a flames right here, then you can as your flame and bend it over. You can make the bandation.
Okay.
By using this way, you can click the S lens option. And after that, how to make the S lens here? You can just click this S. And after that, you can see here upside. You can just click on upside. And then
Okay.
you can just use here. Uh, this is your 90. Yeah, I just show you upside. And then I use here to the 40 mm. Okay. This will
Okay.
be shown here, right? This is
Yeah.
called a flames, as flames. This is called as flames. By using here, this is binding of over there. Okay, and then I just use here the 50 mm. Okay, right here. And this type of is flames you can use here. You can also do as a manually by using click on this portion. Okay, but use as a
Okay.
manual way also. Okay,
Okay.
you can try to be by using the dimension. This is better one. Okay, using the dimension is best of option here. And in this case, we have the flange position also there. We can also bend the flange. Suppose 150 degree I want to bend it. This will be bent also. You can bend this one also by 150 degree. And then if you want to take this as a 90 degree, then you click on the 90 degree. This will be shown as form of the 90 degree also.
Okay.
Here we have the flames. Well, there you can see here the flames, where flames is made here. This distance will be covered here. Okay. If I just use this, say the flex material inside, if you click on the material inside, the material will be inside the this shape metal. If you click on the material outside, then your material where we have this material will be go outside and then start with the inside. Okay. If you use here the band outside, this is banding option will be there in the outside form also. If you use here to the this option, then this will be brand over virtual SAP, and then here we can tangent to the band you can use here. Okay, better to use this one. Okay,
Okay.
this is the band option you can use here, and then after that you can click on OK. This will be created right there. Okay, and this
Okay.
surface is recreated by using the same methodology.
Okay.
After that, yeah, we have will come here again. I just use the as flange option again, and then here you can select your east. Right? Upside I just use here, and the right distance is my 50 mm. And then I want to don't want to make the ace in this case. Okay, this type of things. Okay, where we want to do make this. I just make this in the in between this line. Okay, and then mark as this. For how to do that? For this purpose, what we do, we have the other option is there, edit flange profile. If you click on the flange profile, this is your flange profile, and this is your finish option where you flange profile finishes right there. And once I do, just click on it and then drag and then minimize your size right here. Okay, how many size you want to minimize that? Just I did it 30. Okay.
Okay.
Then one for this direction, I just do one things of that this section, and then here we got the minus. So just I did the minus 30. Okay. And
Okay.
total is 120. This is total value is my 50, 60
Yeah.
degree. Okay. 60 mm. And then if you click on the finish, this type of object will be created right here.
Okay.
Also, you can do one thing if you edit this one and go to custom relief type. If you click on the custom relief type and click on the custom relief, here what you got here, you can just create this one inside, and then if you click on the inside, and if you custom relief, you can use here. Just use the custom relief option. Then go to the custom relief. Then what you see here, here we see here the rectangular type of custom relief option. If you click on object, then this type of rectangular option will be available inside this. This is called a custom relief. Okay. So we have
Okay.
this in there. And then again, I just click on the edit this feature. And then you can also do as and then go to the custom relief. Okay. So there, what I do? Here we have the other option is outbound. And then here we have the ratio, 1 to 5 ratio. If you click on the ratio and then click on 0.1, 1 to, your ratio will be decreases right here. Okay. If you
Okay.
click on the 0 point, in this will be lie on between 0 to 1. Okay.
Okay.
If you click in this, this will be increase your ratio. So I just use a 0.5. In this case, we have other options also too. Is rectangular and outboard. If you click on outboard, then if you click this is round way, you can come here. And then if you click on the tree, then this will be shown as well as the previous one. But I want to outbound. If you want to need this here, just click on the outbound, then this will be circular basis will be shaded. Right?
Yes.
But this way you can create this one.
Okay.
After that, you can make as a flange. In this case, you can also use as this flange right there, and then you can just click on it. And then if you go to this icon, you can also go there is this direction, and then I just use here to the 60 right? And then
Mhm.
here we can use the same as well if you want to need here. And then if you want to make as between them, go to the edit flange option right here. Okay. And this I want to edit it to this position inside this. All right, the distance is 30. Whatever
Okay.
the distance you want to need here to take the distance between them, you can write here. It's your answer. Minus
Yes.
30 right here. And then click on finish. This will be done. Okay, after that, you can edit it and make them as well. Outbound, inbound, whatever it is. Okay, right here. You can make anywhere. You can flange, you can make it. You can anywhere, you can make this type of flange right there. Okay.
Okay.
In this section, we have also have a flatten option also. If you click on the flatten, what will be happen? Your object will be flat.
Oh, okay.
Okay? If you click again, flatten, then this will be object will be showing as like a bending option right here. Alright.
Okay.
This is called my ace flange. Okay. Next one come to the meter flange. Meter flange, what the meter flange is? I just delete this ace flange, but I delete this all because I don't need here. Okay, this is my base place. I just click on this a meter place. Here we have to want to meter place. I click on this. Okay. Meter flange is always made by using the sketch portions right here. This is your sketch. If you click on the meter flange, this will be make as a sketch first. After the over here, we can create here this one. I just do as a sketch one first of all. Click on this line and then select your meter flange option where you want this as format right here. I just click on it and I just make here one thing. This is my 25 and this to this line. This make as angle is 150 and this line I use as a antenna. That's clear. If you want to click on exit sketch and after that you can come to the flange option. Then what you see here, this type of flange where you can make as your sketch and then after that you can make as a flange. This is called a meter flange.
Okay.
So meter flange you can make yourself by using your curve slide. In this section we have the flange operations also. Right there, outside, inside, where you want to make as a plate. Okay.
Okay.
Gap distance, what the gap distance you want here, you can show these portions also. Okay.
Okay.
This is your, if you want to use it as flange radius, you can also use a flange radius right here. Okay. After that, you can want to make same flange in different section, then you can click other edges also. Just click this on this edges and click on this edges and click on this edge. And if you click this one, all of them, and this type of things will be created if you click on this one, and then this portion will be created right here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. In this case, we have other one also option is there is my this portion. Okay.
Yes.
This is my corner points where we not connecting with them. How to connect the corners? If you connect the corners, this is using the welding. What you do for the welding? Then here we have the other option is there is corners option. If you click on the corner option, we have the close corner option also available. If you click on
Okay.
the close corner option, just click on it. This will be close it. Okay.
Okay.
By this way, and this way. Okay. Anyway, you can close it. If you click on OK, and so that this will be corner. This will be not make as well. So just I this delete it and other corners I use again. Welded corner. Here we use as a welded corner. If you click
Okay.
on the welded corner and select any of the faces, all the face will be welded.
Okay.
And if you click on OK, this type of corner will be used to use as like saying like as a welding. You can done here as a welding. Each and every corner I do as here as welded corner. If you click on this portion, I just weld this on and then click on OK, then this will be also welded. And if I here to do as welding also, then click on this corner also, and this will be also welded, and click on OK, this will be done as a welding. And then same thing you can do here to the weld here, and just click on OK. Right? This one is created by using the welding option. If you done here the all the welding side here, corner points welding, then you can use as a okay. And this parts will be created. Right? Right? This section will be completed right here, and then you can make it as well. This is called a meter flex. Simple one.
Okay.
Okay. Like next one is ham. Also ham do. If I just delete it this all one because I don't need it. I just example for us. I just use one thing. I just click on the planes, delete the planes, and then other ones is also deleted and
Okay.
delete it. Okay.
Yes.
You can select on the meter planes, your plane will be created right there. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. Come to the ham. Here we have the option of ham. Okay. And then where you want to create the ham, if you click on this portion, this will be created as ham. And just right here, I just use as a ham height.
Okay.
5 mm. And ham length I use as a 30 mm. Okay, this will be created this type of ham. Okay, and this one is your ham. Just use as a 50 one also. And if you want to increase this height here, this height is here. You can take this one height here. Okay, ham option will be available in form of the band outside and band inside also. Okay, whatever you want to show here, you can just do as well now. Okay, which type of this is called as a ham. Inside the ham, we have other options is there. This is where close ham. If you click on the close ham, this type of ham is created. And then here,
Okay.
this is in this case, we don't have any distance between them. Okay, if you use this ham, then in this section, we have the distance between these options also. And this is my length also. Okay.
Okay.
And if you use here as a teardrop, if you click the teardrop in this section, we have the angle of this portion. I just increase this and decrease this angle. This will be created right there.
Okay.
Okay, this is will be created and this will on. This is by using the angle. If you want to round it, this thing, just click on the round and then make them as a round value. Okay. So I
Okay.
just click on this and then this will be made as a round. And this I write here to 270 degree, this will be created 270 degree. And if I
Okay.
use here to not to 1500 degree. Okay, this one is created. And then I
Yes.
also increase this inner circle radius. Just I click this one, this will be created right there. Okay, this is too much. That's why I write as a 5. Okay.
Okay.
By using this way, you can just click on OK. This type of ham you can create it right here. Okay, you can inside it also bound it right there. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
After that, first side, here we can again select the ham. Click on this six. This one is created right here. And also edit the ham width. Click on the ham width. Here we have the profile script. And then here, first I do, I just click on this portion and then inside it, I click on it and write the 30. Or not the 30, I just write this. Yeah, 90 I just write here. The 90, this is 90, I will write. Okay, after this, I click on this portion also, and then again I just decrease this, right? To
Yes.
the 30. Okay. And click on finish. This will be hands will be created right there. Okay. This flames type of ham option will be created in this case one. Right.
Yeah.
After this, in the ham option, we also have to show the this custom relief options also available. If you use this type of things right there. Okay, here we have the also we have the custom relief option. In this custom relief option, we have the tier option also. We have the inside the tier option, we have two types of tier option is extended and red. If you use the extended, then we don't use the extended. Here we have the outbound. Okay, whatever you want to select here, you can just use it. Same as age place. Here we have the ham option, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay. You can make them as well, change very good by using this way, and then this is your parts will be created. That's clear to you?
Yes.
Well, next option is my jog. Okay, come to the jog. What the jog is to? You see here, my jog is look like as this way. How to do that? The jog. I just first of all delete this one. All the option I delete here. Are you seeing this look like here for the jog also? In this section, what the jog is to? If you click on the jog, and then you can select your plane, which plane you want to do here. First of all, create a sketch, right? Where you want to create it as a sketch. Where you want to create a sketch, just create this sketch right there and click on and this your sketch. After that, what you see here, this is your geography fix the face. If you want to take the fix the face, this is my fixed face. This will be jog option where you have to create your sketch right there. Okay. Distance you can select here to suppose I want to edit this 10 okay, 10, 20 right here. How much you want to upper side you can want to take here. And then this is my dimension of outside of inside the offset. Okay. And then here total distance, whatever you can select here. If I click on OK, first of all, I show the what the job is do. This will be banded in this section, and then this will be not here to this. This will be banded for, and this will be fit for sure. Okay.
Okay.
I think here, if I want to do 1 second, I just click on this, and then I don't want to fix this piece. I just click on this piece to fix it. Then here, with this flames created in this section also. Right. By using this way, you can create this type of objects also, right? And then here you have the job position, where you have the job position is here, the line of the options is here, where you have the job position. Okay, this you can click here, any of the job position right here. Right? Jog angle you can use this here to 150 degree, then you can create a 150 degree also. There you can create this type of options is also, but I do it as a 90 degree, then you can use it as a 90 degree. Right?
Okay.
Then this will be used here, right? And then here you can band option, you can use a care factor side that we use. This is the band options here. Okay, but see here you can just use a 3.5. Okay, this is the simple one is band. Okay, if you use here is your edit your sketch, go to the sketch right there, and then edit your sketch, and then mark as a dimension between them. And this is you know what this is my 200, right? So then I don't need to do 200, right? This is one thing I do here. 200, then what I do is I just use this line to this line, click on this, and then right here is suppose I say right here is a 60 mm. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay, this is sketch. This is Flanges used to be created. Right now, again, I want to do as a job, create on the job, and then I just select this face right here, and then make as a sketch also again. Where you get a sketch, and then I just click on it. I just first of all I mark as a smart dimension right here, and then this is 60. Okay, I just delete this one because I just make it a center position. That's why this will be shown as happening right here. I just use this where you want to use it. Okay, that you can use it. I just use a smart dimension, mark as this one and this one. And right here the dimension is 50. This will be shown here. Okay, after this, okay, click on OK, go to the axis option right here and select your fixed option. This will be the right here. Okay, we don't need to be edit anything. Just click on OK. This type of things will be created right here. Okay, if you want to flatten it, then you can flatten also. But I see that here this will be pending where this progression. This is your job document where you can use it. Same thing. This is called the job. Come to the next one is sketcher band. Here we have the sketcher band option also available right here. So how to do as a sketcher band? If you I just delete this one, I just want to job 2, I just delete this one all the way. Just delete these sketches also. Okay. Next one is the sketch to band. Once the sketches to band is true, if you click on the sketches to band, if you click on it and then select the profile, this is your profile. Make them as whatever you want to make them here, just make as a line. And click on like this my sketch. Okay. And then here to do as band parameters, you can select here to the band where you want to band it. Okay, if you want to select this page, this will be band. If you select this page, here you have to band it. Okay, just using this sketch. You can use it a 90 degree, whatever. Just I show you towards the band is going. This is the banding option we will work here, right there. Okay, you can just band it this option and then make them as well as way. Okay, this is by sketch. You can make a sketch a band, and then where you can make the sketch, then you can make the band.
Okay.
I just click this one to the go to the edit option. And so here we have the band out positions are there, all our positions are there. You can just select it. And then here you can use the angle also. Okay, bending or angles also you can use here. And then if you use goals radius, default goals radius, here we can also adjust your goals radius also. That's a 5 here. Okay. And this is what you want to create here, right here. Okay. If you click on OK, this type of creation will be done here. Okay. Simple one we can do it here to this point and then make them as well as. Okay. After that, we have to be doing as well as your options. And we have the corner option also. If you have the back corners, the corner theme here, we have the option of corner also option. If you want to back themes, if you click on the any corner points and then make them as a this type of corners also. If you click on this 10 and 10 arrow and just use it, right? Then click on OK, this will be created. If you want to back the make them as a rounded corner, then you can also use to make them as a rounded corner. Just click on the corner option and then click on the rounded corner. You can select the round. Okay, this is a rounded corner. You select here the front here. Just right here, don't give them this will be created as a rounded. And the same thing you can use to select here.
Okay.
This will be created as well.
Okay.
And this will be created the rounded corner. You can also round your corners and then fill your corners in exact method. Also, we have the option of the rounded corner also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next one is closed corner, and then what's the corner is 2 here. If you do as a corner side here, too, you can also do as a corner section. If I make here, and suppose here I want to do as a edit flange, I just click on the flange. I don't click and make them as a flange side here. Here I just use with tanner.
Okay.
Whatever I use here, and then I just say to the 60.
Okay.
And then we can just not need to be bandits I just use this of the vertex. Click on the vertex with this. Blind, I just use as a blind option is here.
Okay.
Okay, here we have to got this. And if you edit your plans, I just want to need to be in case is this one also.
Okay.
This is skater right there. And this one thing I do also again go to the sketch plan and then go to the edit plan. And then one thing I want to do here to the 90 degrees, I guess.
Okay.
Same thing I use it. This is my corner points where you want to join it there. Then here we have the option of the closed corners. If you click on the closed corners right there, this will be closed right there.
Okay.
If you click on it, this type of closes you can done here. Okay.
Okay.
Not to be better, but this will be done by using this way corners also. Okay. Also you can do as a corner leaf. If you click on the corner leaf and then close corner you want to do as well as others one thing and click on it. I can just use as a corner leaf. I just use here. Collect all corners. I collect all the corners and click on the OK. Okay, this will be created right there. But this will be automatically get the corners and then create them the corners will be right here. Okay. In this section, we have only one corner, that's why this will be shown. I just click on delete option. I don't need to be use this here. Okay, also I just use to be edit this close corner right here. Here we have the close corner option right here. You can also close it to where you want to close. Okay. You can make them space between them. You can also use the space between them. You can close as well. Okay. And then you can close it right here to this direction, whatever you want to do. Okay, here we have the other one corner, but option is there where we have to be make it, but don't close it properly. We have the other option is there. We have it, the other option is there in the other lab. Okay, whatever you want to join here, you can just use it. Overlap on the lab, and then but option you can use it here. Make them as well. Okay, and then click on the okay. This way corner points will be connected by this way.
Okay.
Well, corner is already there. Talk about this. If we click on this, this will be duets of value. Okay. Then this will be just used as a value of the corners point. If you needed the corners to be bad, then you can use it as a corner. Okay. And then here you can collect all the corners. There will we have to find out, and then how many bands you want to do, 2, 3, whatever it is. 2 bands corners you can use this collect all corners, right? And then select the corners. Okay, which type of corner you want to circular, clear. Okay, just use it and then click on. Okay. This type of circular corners banding option will be created right here. Corner, this is corner. We have to corner with your corner points. Okay.
Okay.
By using this sheet method, you can create multiple of things like it. Right?
Okay.
This is just the starting of the sheet method. We'll also talk about other ones also after the next session. Okay. Just can you do this one?
Yes.
All clear? Just practice this one. After
Yeah.
we continue as towards. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt? Any question?
No, not this portion here.
Okay. Do